Okay, we got a negative sign and a couple more decimal places. So we've got 16.3 divided by 4.62. Let's see how this works out. First thing is the answer is going to be negative because I have one negative sign. So I'm just going to write my answer box over here. I don't know what the answer is yet, but dude, I know the sign's negative. So that's cool. That's, one less thing I have to worry about. Then remember, 16.3 divided by 4.62 can be rewritten as a decimal as 16.3 over 4.62. Now I got my divisor and my dividend. We're good to go. It's 4.62 into 16.3. Now remember, first thing I do, I got to move the decimal place. 2 places. Got to do the same right here. So this goes 1, 2. Decimal place up top. That's the key thing. And we'll put a decimal place here. Put a few zeros here just as placeholders. Now we're going to do the actual math. So 462 doesn't go into 16, nor into 163. It does go into 1630 3 times, because 3 times 462 is 1386. Draw the line, change the sign. 1630 minus 1386 is, I believe it's 2440. It's 244. I'm dropping the 0 prematurely. Please forgive me. Now, 462 into 2440 goes 5 times, because 5 times 462 is 2310. Draw the line, change the sign. 2440 minus 2310 is going to be, okay, I'm going to have 0 here. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then I'm going to drop a 0 here. So now we've got 462 into 1300. That goes 2 times, because 2 times 462 is 924. Excuse me, draw the line, change the sign. 1300 minus 924 is 376. I'm going to drop this last 0. And then 462 into 3760 goes 8 times, because 8 times 462 is now 3696. I'm not even going to bother with the last thing. Teacher says, hey, 2 decimal places. Guess what? This 8, because it's a number or digit that's 5 or larger, that's going to make the 3.52 a 3.53 rounding up, because this last extra digit is 5 or higher. Oh, we got the sign right. Because remember, at this point in math, guys, it's not just the number, it's the sign that's important. Be careful with that, and you should be good to go.